Alright, so we're gonna go take the drone flying, and I brought the boys. So we're here at the Murtaugh Bridge, not sure the official name, but taking the dogs out, and we're gonna fly the drone here in a minute. I'm just gonna scout and see where's a good place to fly the drone. Alright, so we just flew the drone, got some cool footage. I'm still getting used to my drone, so hopefully you guys like the footage that I made. This is just going to be a quick video and probably won't even be 5 minutes long. Anyway, stay safe, don't get the coronas, and we'll see you next time.